Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyotirolla and today I am going to give you a first impression and review on these two products. Makeup Revolution London. This is how the palette looks. I'm going to give you a up close. I'm going to talk about these two beautiful palettes. I got these both from Nykaa. So I am going to give you a first impression, or you can say my how do I feel it after using these two palettes. I'm going to use along with you guys. I had tried the one and not the dark one, the light one. These palettes are called Makeup Revolution Forever Florist Combo, and it's available for like 1,450 rupees for such two beautiful palettes. It's a good money, and the pans are really big. The size is like a really good palette ka. I'm very sure if you buy the one palette even, it would be good, but the combo is like so crazy. I'll put a picture here where you can see the colors are so crazy to get in. So this one is Allure and the shades are so crazy. They have a names even about these shades, which is so good. And this is like a most comfortable thing while using a palette. You can like turn around if you know. And best part is the big huge mirror. Can you see the mirror size? And it's a metal thing, which is really good. Like if you're traveling, you don't need to worry about your palette getting damaged, which is so good. So the first palette which I am going to swatch around my hand is Revolution Allure, and the second one is Constellation and Allure. These are the two palettes. So first I'm going to swatch the Allure on my hand.
Hedonism, magnetic, sensation, lovesick, crave, soooo, attract, flaunt, sweethearts, nymph, seduction.
So now I am going to swatch this palette. This one is Constellation, and I'm going to swatch this one on my sister's hand. She's right here. Anyways,
and even the hand model.
So now I'm going to do this one. This is a beautiful palette. To be very honest, this is one of my new favorite palettes. Let's see how it goes.
Celeste, Jupiter, Spiral, Saturn, Nightfall, Night Sky, Mars, Heart, Neptune, Venus, Cluster Dimension, Cosmic, Mercury, Retrograde, Asteroid.
So you have seen how the swatches are. The palettes are really good pigmented. So first I am going to use this one on my right side eye. So to start with the makeup, so first I will go with shade named Sweetheart. Use the same shade again. I'm taking this. I'm taking this LA Girl concealer, just taking a little bit to give a little. Now I am going to take the shade Fever. And in the second part I am going to take the Sinner. So Fever and Sinner are quite similar shades. I don't know why, while applying it looks similar to me right now. Taking this Risky and adding here. Just to give a little bit of the darker, and taking this one and adding this to here. So my this eye is done. Now I'm going to do the second palette. Let's get started with the second palette. First shade I'm going to use is this one. The second shade I am taking is Venus. I'm taking the shade Mask. Okay, now I'm going to try some of the blue shades in this. So first one I'm going to take is Neptune. This looks really beautiful. And I'm going to just add in my this part. I'm going to take this one, Satin, this color, and apply in my first half of my eye. The shimmer is there. I like the shimmer shades of this palette. Such a beautiful one, both the eyes you can see. The palettes are really good. I love some of the colors. Now I'm going to quickly finish my rest of the makeup and get back to you with the lower part and do a finishing touch in some time. I did a very quick base makeup, put a little bit foundation, mascara, like all the complete steps which I usually do it. And now I am going to do my lower lashes. I'm going to take this first silver shade. Now I'm going to take Mercury, a little darker shade. Now I'm going to take this one, the dark last one, and I'm going to connect with this. I love this black one, the last one. It's so amazing. Now I'm going to take a different brush and take the shades, a little bit of what we say, purple glitter kind of color thing. Add in my inner corner just to get a little bit of the. Now for this lower part I am going to take this one, Magnet. I'm going to take Magnet on my first part of my eye is this part. Now I'm going to take this one. Then the Lovesick. So I'm going to take Lovesick first. Take Seduce. I'm just going to add the love. For my inner corner, this shade, which is, I didn't use this shade. Now I'm going to use a liner and mascara. And for the liner I'm taking this Lakme 925. This is the first time I'm using this. Comes. It has a product and a small brush. Let's talk about it. How do I feel about this product? How it performs, how it is. Does it going to stay for a little bit longer? Is it difficult to work with this palette, or what other things? So let's go all with the pointers. The first one is it difficult to work with this palette? No, it's very easy to work with this palette. You don't need to like think about it. Like you can just layer the product and then blend a little bit and it will give you amazing result. Looks so difficult for me to understand. There's two different colors on my face. So let's talk about this darker shade ones. It's amazing. I was not expecting to work like this beautiful on my eye. But yeah, I agree, some of the colors need to be like took time, and if I am mixing it, it doesn't give me the color which I am looking for. It's a little difficult for certain technical stuff, but rest of the stuff, this palette is amazing. You can layer it. I have loved the shimmer shades, to be very honest. The shimmer does layer so nicely. You can see how my bottom line is completely with the shimmer, and in my this socket area is completely with the shimmer, but on the top I put some matte, the matte which they have, and that is the only shade which goes all over. But it's amazing palette. I loved it. I love this palette. It's similar to the one of my MAC palette which I told you, because of the love sake and few of the neutral and some of the different colors which is there in this palette. So that is the only thought, but I was expecting to be like more of my what we say, blendable, workable kind of it, but the product moves when I was trying to work on this angle of my face. But the rest of the product, like, to be very honest, these two shades looks very similar. These two shades looks very similar when I was applying on my eyelid, but while working with the different shades in a different area, it really worked well. So I cannot say that this was all over the place, but I am in love with this palette. I'm going to use this palette again, and I can say you guys can even get this palette. Like, it's budget, it have all the colors which is required, it does the job. So this is like my thing. I can say you can go for this palette. It's really working, it's really worth it. 1500 rupees for two palettes, amazing combo. 1500 rupees, like. So that's all I have for today. I used one of the eyeliner even, which was a gel based eyeliner from Lakme. I can say this is a really good eyeliner. So gel liner is so easy and comfortable, and I'm in love with this. That's all guys for today. If you really enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up and do subscribe if you like such kind of videos.